guys, I'm Mia at True Leaf Market.
I am Andrea, and this is my favorite fall recipe.
Using some real ingredients from our garden today. Starting with the star of the show, if you grew sugar pie pumpkins this year, now's the time to enjoy your harvest.
If you didn't grow a pumpkin, puree works too.
Now we're gonna cut these pumpkins so we can start making our puree. So now we're gonna put our pumpkins in the oven and roast them until they're soft and tender so we can put them in a food processor. Now that we have our puree all made, we can start working on the rest of the cheesecake.
The first step is the crust.
And we just put graham crackers, sugar, and cinnamon in this. So as you can see, we've already started on one tray, but what you're gonna do is take 1 tablespoon of your breadcrumbs and put them at the bottom of each tin.
Now, put the cheesecake on top.
All right, now we're gonna bake these at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. All right guys, so we just let these bake for 15 minutes and they've been cooling for about 30 minutes so they could be set.
So now it's going to decorate. Thank you for watching.
And if you guys didn't get the chance to grow sugar pie pumpkins this season, make sure to check out our website because we're selling them now. For more recipes and all things growing, you can like and subscribe. Happy October!